Oisin Power is the cutest boy in school. He's got great hair, a gorgeous smile, and most importantly, he cares about the environment. I never really noticed him until the fashion show, but I haven't stopped thinking about him since. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna flirt with a boy. I, Louise Edgar, am entering the world of romance.
Pass, I'm open! Rob, I'm open, I'm open! Rob! Oisin, I'm open! Oisin! No spud, pass! Oisin, I'm open! Oisin, pass!
To you?
Oh, don't pass to her, Ross! She's always sick, not anymore.
Are you okay? I didn't...
I'm fine.
I know they say that love hurts, but this is not what I was expecting.
Oisin, seriously.